2, 3.
Come in. Alright guys, so this is gonna be our room tour, or my room tour. First, I kick off with slippers because I'm hella tired. So first thing first, we have a nice mirror. So we can look for ourselves and sing. It's a double occupancy room. So this is Rio Negril Club. Rio Negril Club. Anyways, so in here, we have a nice clean bathroom. Come on. Say hi, Jade.
Hi.
So this is a nice clean bathroom. It's a his and her sink. Of course, we have our face towels and hand towel and whatever. We have our walk-in shower. So we can do that. All right. So we also have what is this?
Wait, we have room service. A blow
Oh,
dryer.
it's a blow dryer.
Jesus Christ.
Because at first I thought it was a phone. So this is our blow dryer. We have a tissue. The tissue look half done still, but yeah, we have a little toilet. We have more towels up top, and that's basically it for the bathroom. We have one and two napkin and a bin down there. So then over here we have our closet. So in here we have, I guess this is our comforter. This it's a blanket. We have what we call hangers. We have our safe, and we kind of start packing in our stuff. So that's it for the closet, and the closet is really big, so I love that. Over here we have our refrigerator fully stocked. A fully stocked refrigerator. And up here, I don't know what this. I don't know what this is. What is? I don't know what that is, but we have that. We have with switches and stuff.
And if you take out this, light is gonna go.
Yeah.
So put it back now to get back light. Jesus.
Yeah. Alright, so that controls our lights. Over here, we have a nice little bedside. Empty. Of course, we have a light switch them. And there's two beds. As I said, it's a double occupancy room. Then we have some nice space. For example, if you're gonna work while here, for me, I'm going to be doing a lot of editing. We have a lot of storage. Now we could give them another storage, but we have a storage. We have our TV, which is currently on CNN. So we have another bedside table and our telephone to call, room service, reception, wherever. Of course, we have a nice little chair, which is super soft. Another table, another chair, bin, more light. And then out here is our view. So it's not really much of like a seaside view, not really, but it's close enough. And it's nice and warm out here, like a nice little retirement vibe. So this is where we're gonna be chilling for the next couple of days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short room tour. I'm trying to get the vlogs out back to back. So stay tuned, and yeah.